Serving our country takes courage and sacrifice. These brave men and women put their lives on the line to protect our freedoms and ensure our safety. They leave behind their families, their homes, and their everyday lives to answer the call of duty. Their commitment and bravery are the backbone of our nation's security. Our veterans deserve our deepest gratitude for their service. They have given so much, and it is our responsibility to honor their sacrifices. From the battlefields to the home front, their contributions are immeasurable. We must ensure they feel appreciated and supported when they return home. Many return home with injuries, visible and invisible. Physical wounds may heal, but the emotional and psychological scars can last a lifetime. Post-traumatic stress disorder, depression, and anxiety are common among returning veterans. These challenges can make reintegration into civilian life incredibly difficult. These injuries can make everyday life a challenge. Simple tasks that we take for granted, like climbing stairs or taking a shower, can become daunting obstacles. Veterans with mobility issues often find their homes ill-equipped to meet their needs, adding to their daily struggles. Did you know there's a program specifically designed to help these brave men and women? The Specially Adapted Housing, or SAH, grant is a vital resource for veterans with service-connected disabilities. This program provides financial assistance to modify their homes, making them more accessible and comfortable. It's called the Specially Adapted Housing, or SAH, grant, and it's a game-changer for eligible veterans. With this grant, veterans can make necessary modifications to their homes, such as installing ramps, widening doorways, and creating accessible bathrooms and kitchens. These changes can significantly improve their quality of life. This grant can unlock the funds needed to make homes accessible and comfortable. It empowers veterans to live independently and with dignity. By removing physical barriers in their homes, the SAH grant helps veterans regain a sense of normalcy and control over their lives. It's a way to say thank you to our veterans and provide them with the support they deserve. By investing in their well-being, we acknowledge their sacrifices and show our appreciation for their service. The SAH grant is more than just financial aid, it's a symbol of our nation's gratitude. In this essay, we'll dive deep into the SAH grant. We'll explore its history, its impact, and the stories of veterans who have benefited from it. You'll hear first-hand accounts of how this grant has transformed lives and provided hope to those who need it most. You'll learn how it works, who qualifies, and how to apply. We'll guide you through the application process, provide tips for success, and answer common questions. Whether you're a veteran in need or someone looking to support our heroes, this information is invaluable. Join us as we uncover the power of the SAH grant and its role in helping our nation's heroes. The SAH grant is a lifeline for veterans with service-connected disabilities. It empowers them to live independently and comfortably in their homes. This grant provides funds for modifying existing homes or building new ones. The goal is simple: to remove barriers and create a safe, functional living space. Imagine a veteran in a wheelchair struggling to navigate narrow doorways, or a veteran with a visual impairment needing better lighting. The SAH grant addresses these challenges. It funds modifications that make a world of difference in a veteran's life. The SAH grant can provide a significant amount of financial assistance, up to $109,986 in 2025. This money can be used for a wide range of home adaptations. Think of it as creating a home that truly meets your needs. Need ramps for easier access? The grant covers that. Wider doorways, accessible bathrooms, and kitchen modifications are also included. Some veterans require lifts or other specialized equipment. The SAH grant can help with those too. It's about making your home a haven, not a hindrance. Who can benefit from the SAH grant? Not all veterans are eligible for the SAH grant. It's specifically designed for those with certain service-connected disabilities. These disabilities must be severe enough to require home adaptations. Qualifying disabilities often include blindness, loss of limbs, severe burns, and certain respiratory conditions. If you're unsure about your eligibility, don't worry. The Department of Veterans Affairs provides resources to guide you. It's always worth checking to see if you qualify. Section 5. Navigating the application process. A step-by-step guide. Applying for the SAH grant might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With the right guidance and a clear understanding of the steps involved, you can navigate this process smoothly and efficiently. The key is to break it down into manageable parts and tackle each one methodically. The VA has streamlined the process, making it as straightforward as possible. They have resources and representatives ready to assist you at every step, ensuring that you don't feel overwhelmed or lost. Their goal is to make sure you get the support you need without unnecessary complications. It all begins with a simple application form. This form is your first step towards securing the grant. Make sure to fill it out accurately and completely, as any missing information can delay the process. Take your time to review each section and provide all the necessary details. You'll need to gather supporting documents, including medical records and proof of service. These documents are crucial as they provide evidence of your eligibility for the grant. Ensure that all your records are up to date and organized. This will help in speeding up the review process. A clear and detailed plan of the proposed home modifications is crucial. This plan should outline the specific changes you need to make your home more accessible and comfortable. Work with a professional, such as an architect or contractor, to create a comprehensive plan that meets your needs. This plan helps the VA understand your needs and assess the grant request. The more detailed and clear your plan is, the easier it will be for the VA to evaluate your application. Be sure to include all necessary modifications and explain why they are important for your daily living. Once you've compiled everything, submit it to your local VA office. Make sure to keep copies of all your documents for your records. The submission process is straightforward, and the VA staff will be there to assist you if you have any questions or need further guidance. They will guide you through the rest of the process. From reviewing your application to conducting any necessary assessments, the VA is committed to helping you every step of the way. With their support, you can confidently move forward, knowing that you're on the path to receiving the assistance you need. Section 6. Tips for Success. Securing your SAH grant. While the SAH grant application is designed to be straightforward, a few key tips can increase your chances of approval. The Specially Adapted Housing (SAH) grant is a valuable resource for veterans with service-connected disabilities, providing financial assistance to help them live more independently. However, navigating the application process can be daunting without proper guidance. Firstly, meticulous documentation is key. This means gathering all necessary paperwork and ensuring that every document is complete and accurate. Missing or incomplete information can delay the process or even result in a denial of your application. Ensure all your medical records are up to date and clearly demonstrate the severity of your disability and the necessity of home adaptations. Detailed medical records provide the evidence needed to justify the modifications you are requesting. This includes any recent evaluations, treatment plans, and letters from your healthcare providers. Secondly, invest time in creating a comprehensive and detailed plan for your home modifications. This plan should outline the specific changes you need to make your home more accessible and comfortable. Collaborate with professionals, such as architects or contractors who have experience with accessibility modifications. Include specific measurements, materials, and estimated costs. A well-prepared plan not only shows your commitment, but also helps the VA understand the scope and feasibility of your project. Detailed blueprints and a clear budget can make a significant difference in the approval process. This demonstrates your preparedness and helps the VA assess the feasibility of your request. Being organized and thorough in your application can set you apart and increase your chances of a successful outcome. Lastly, don't hesitate to reach out to your local VA office with any questions or concerns throughout the process. The VA staff are there to assist you and can provide valuable insights and support. They can help clarify any doubts you have and guide you through each step of the application. They are there to support you every step of the way. Remember, the goal of the SAH grant is to help you achieve a better quality of life through necessary home adaptations. By following these tips and utilizing available resources, you can navigate the application process more effectively and increase your chances of securing the grant. Section 7. Real Stories, Real Impact, How the SAH Grant Transforms Lives. The SAH Grant has already changed the lives of countless veterans across the nation. Take for example Sarah, a veteran who lost her leg in the line of duty. Before the grant, she struggled to navigate her home. Simple tasks like showering or cooking were a constant source of stress and danger. With the SAH grant, Sarah was able to install a ramp, widen doorways, and remodel her bathroom for wheelchair accessibility. Today she navigates her home with ease and enjoys a newfound sense of independence and dignity. Section 8. Your dream home within reach. Take the first step today. If you are a veteran with service-connected disabilities, the SSA Grant could be the key to unlocking a more comfortable and independent life. Don't let this incredible opportunity pass you by. Take the first step towards your dream home today. Check your eligibility, gather your documents, and begin crafting your vision for an accessible future. You've sacrificed so much for our country. Let us help you create a home where you can truly thrive. Section 9. Need help? Resources and support for our veterans. Navigating the world of benefits and grants can feel overwhelming. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. The VA and numerous veterans organizations are here to support you every step of the way. Visit the official VA website or your local VA office for personalized guidance. Their dedicated teams can answer your questions, provide application assistance, and connect you with additional resources. You've served our country bravely. Now let us serve you.